Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to HR Repair. Today we have a car that is exhibiting some weird signs and symptoms according to the customer. It is a Hyundai, so you know. What we've got going on with this thing is she says that sometimes whenever the engine is accelerating, it will almost feel like it's slowing down, and she has lights flashing and some weird light action going on, and just like right now the brake lights are on. So we may have already diagnosed the issue here, but this car may have a dead battery because it's been here for a while. Let's get into it and see what we can figure out on this thing. Contact. And it fired right up. Surprisingly, she's obviously got a good battery in it. Let's get our scan tool hooked up here. Let's turn the radio off so I don't get a copyright hit on me. Plug in. Where are you? There we go. All right, so right off the bat, what I am suspecting is that we have an issue with the brake pedal switch, possibly. But we're going to just double check and make sure. I'll just read the text message that I got. All right, so wanted to mention that the driver's side tail light of my car is out. The bulb was changed and worked about 3 weeks before it went out again. And when the car starts slowing down while accelerating, it kind of feels like it's braking by itself. And notice that when that happens, the brake lights come on even when no one is braking. Sometimes they just stay on, and the next they're flickering like crazy. Hope this makes sense. Always appreciate when customers can give me all the signs and symptoms. It helps us out a bunch. So let's go ahead and let's just do a code scan. We'll turn the car off. Aha! I didn't even have the brake pedal pushed down and it fired right up. Okay, let's see. I don't think I can do a code scan. Yeah, the engine's got to be off. There we go. Alright, I'm pulling up on the brake pedal. So what that tells me already is I am sure we have a faulty brake pedal switch. And that's probably going to be the problem with our feeling like it's braking. So we're going to take it out and test drive it here pretty soon, but I'm sure we're not going to find any codes, because unless there is a circuit fault, the computer doesn't even know that you're not applying brake pedal. So we're going to just do this scan and see what we get. I think this is a Hyundai Sonata, I believe. And I know that I've put new injectors in this car. I think it might have had a new engine put in it. Name me a Hyundai with 160,000 miles that has not had a new engine put in it. It's pretty rare. Okay. Yep. No codes. Let's check our readiness monitors. All of them are checked. Everything's good. Alright, so what we need to do, we need to come in here to anti-lock brakes, I believe. Go into data. And we are going to see if we have a brake light switch. It's off. Okay, now it's working. Okay, now it's staying on. Okay. Yep, there it stayed on. Yeah, we have a brake light switch that's severe. I don't know if it's adjustable or not, but we're gonna fool with that just a little bit. And it doesn't like that I'm in the ABS module. Yep. Alright. then we take that, pull up. Now we can accelerate. All right, we already know this may not even be worth posting a video on, because it's probably not going to take much to fix it. Let's go ahead and pull inside. Come on. Open! Thank you. Sometimes you just got to talk loud and clear and make your intentions known. Let's nose this thing inside here. We will get our brake lights, the switch ordered. We'll get it replaced, and this thing will probably be good to go. But I don't know if I made it clear, but what happened was when the brake light switch switched on, the car literally started decelling. So basically what happens is the brake overtakes the accelerator. On most cars nowadays, that's how they've got it set up. Ford does it, even on their big trucks. The brake always overtakes the accelerator. Safety reasons. I would much rather be stopping than running wild. So let's go ahead. We'll get a new brake switch ordered, and we'll get that thing installed, and this thing should be fixed. We're gonna fix our headlight. She said, or headlight, or was it headlight or tail light? Driver's side tail light is out. So she said she replaced it 3 weeks ago. We'll check that out. That could be because sometimes the oil from your hands will heat that up and will cause a problem with blowing the bulb. As you can see, the brake lights are on right now. So this thing's got a bad brake switch. Let's get a new one ordered. I'll be back as soon as that comes in. Well, folks, I'm ashamed to say that I got ahead of myself here a little bit. I got underneath there after I went to order the part, and because I needed to know if it was an angled sensor or a straight sensor. And looky there. There is a hole dug into the bumper here to the point that this thing came apart, and that's why we had a light that was intermittently coming on. Now, is the switch going bad? Probably, because we've got a I mean, this thing was always, unless it was getting off to the side, but I would feel a little better if I could put a new switch on there. But this thing here is going to need to be replaced as well, I believe. I think it's going to need this in there to, I don't know, does it? I mean, the other part that it's going to be riding up against is steel. I don't know if that's going to cause a problem. Let me just look up in through here and I'll show you guys. If you come up here, that brake, yeah, it's going to be right there by that hole, so it's going to cause an issue for the brake light switch eventually. So I'm sure that we could adjust it to make that one work. But even if we'd put, maybe we'd just put a new stopper in there and it use that brake light switch. I don't know if I can even get this thing. I know I probably can't aftermarket. I'll have to call my Hyundai dealer and see if I can try to explain to the goofball in the parts department what I'm trying to look for. Hang tight, let's see what we get. All right, we've got this thing taken care of, and I'll show you what I did. As you can see, the brake lights are no longer on. Everything's working the way it's designed. I could not find that bump stop today. I know that Hyundai could get it to me, you know, in a couple days or whatever, but I don't have that kind of patience, and the customer wants the car. So what we did, and I know this is plastic, it's not rubber, so it ought to, honestly should last longer. But what I did is I took one of these Humadinks here, and I just shoved that right in through that hole. It fits tight. The the switch goes right up against there, and we're good to go. So 1/4 inch, and that fastener kit, it worked perfect. So haste makes waste. We don't need that switch now. I'm going to drive it around the section just to make sure that that works, but that should be good to go. So I want to thank you for watching. Thank you for being here. I appreciate it. I don't know if I'm even going to put this video up, but I might. It's kind of a, I think it's kind of a dumb video. I'm not sure that it's that educational, but we'll see. But thanks for watching. Thank you for being here. Appreciate it. Please like, share, subscribe to the channel. Doesn't cost you guys anything. Helps me out a bunch. Have a great day.